Hello guys, how are you doing? Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. Today I will show you how to improve the pattern of a pumpkin. I showed how to make a pumpkin many times before. I will put at least 3 different video tutorials of mine underneath this video. There will be links. Just go underneath, click on the link and you will see how to make a pumpkin. It's literally just making a round pillow, okay? So, but it improve the look of the pillow. See, that was just a pillow. Now it's a pumpkin. And how I made it, first of all, I made the beautiful stem. See the stem? So today I will show you how to make it. Here it is. You see, it's not just like straight stem. This stem is a little bit tilted. That's our goal, to make it like that. So here is the pumpkin with the stem. I also will show in this video how to make tendrils. So see, there is one long one here, one shorter one, and then I also have this beautiful ribbon. So if you want to buy a DIY kit, I will put a link underneath too. You can buy a kit. Everything will come ready, even insert pillow. There is a pillow inside. Or you can just do it with your yarn if you have one, if you have some. So this is also it was a pillow. Now it's a pumpkin. This stem is made differently. I'm not showing it today. I'm just showing you a pillow with some tendrils. Okay, so here it is. And this is the stem and tendrils we are making today. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so let me show you how to make a stem for the pumpkin. So this is the pillow that I made with our mustard jumbo chenille, and I will put, as I said, I will put a link underneath for chunky chenille pillow, pumpkin pillow, for jumbo chenille, and I have a few others. I will put them underneath this video. So, but now we will be making the stem. Okay, it's very easy. I'm taking our olive color chunky chenille yarn. I am burning the end to prevent unraveling, and now I am making my first stitch. As usual, this is working yarn, this is tail. So tail goes on the top like that. Insert your hand inside this loop, grab working yarn and pull it through the loop. Now grab these 2 strings and pull them down. So this is your first stitch. You can move working yarn up and down and make the stitch smaller or bigger. It should be about 1 inch tall. So what do we do now, guys? Insert your hand, grab working yarn and pull stitch out. We just made second stitch. So we are now gonna knit these 2 stitches, one at a time. So place it in front of you like that. Insert fingers inside this first stitch, grab working yarn and pull it out. Try to make stitches as small as possible. And then see this first stitch, insert your hand, grab working yarn, pull it out. See what we have? We have 2 stitches in front of each other, okay? So again, take the right stitch, your hand is still there, your fingers, grab working yarn, pull it out. And then left one, grab working yarn, pull it out. See what we're doing? We are knitting 2 stitches together, creating this robe, like a, I was showing it in many videos before, but here we are. Now it will be our stem. So we are making 5 stitches, guys. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one will be 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Now left one 4, and then one more 5, and 5 on the left. Okay. So what are we doing now? See, this is our stem. Now cut the yarn. I will burn it to prevent unraveling. Now this yarn will go inside the right stitch, this tail, okay? inside and pull. Now insert it inside this left one and pull. See what we did? We made this stem turn a little bit. It's kind of like twisted now. So now we will weave in this end and we will make it even more twisted. We will insert this tail inside the stitch, the previous stitch, and pull. And then go on another side, insert in the second stitch and pull like that. See what we have here? And then you can just weave in or hide this tail anywhere around the stitches that you wouldn't see it, just hiding it like that. See what we did? We did this perfect stem. So now on the bottom, the tail will go inside this other stitch to connect them. And now we can attach this stem to our pumpkin. So take a pumpkin, you have this tail, and we will use this tail to attach it. So we'll go inside this opening in the middle, and then it's you just pull it that the stem will go in, and then you are going just around any stitch on one side, then go inside on the opposite side that you would attach the stem nicely, and then attach it with the knot. So see, I'm making a knot around the stitch, then inserting it here and pull, then hide. And here we are, guys. Look at that. It's super simple, but it looks perfect. It looks like a real pumpkin stem. So you can convert any of the pumpkin pillows or pillows into the pumpkin, and we can also add a little bit of like uniqueness. Let me show you. We have this amazing ribbon for sale, guys. We are selling it by small pieces, just enough for the pumpkin. So let me cut it. So we if you want to order it, I will put the link underneath, and you can order a DIY kit. It will come with the yarn, pillow insert, and yarn for the stem, or you can just buy this ribbon. Here we are making another around the stem, and then we will make a beautiful bow. Here we are. Here you go. And then you can just spread it around nicely that it would look beautiful like this. Here we go. Look at this beauty. So if you want to buy a DIY kit, I will put a link underneath, or I showed you how to make it. If you have yarn available, go make this pumpkin, and please tag BeCozi when you're posting it on social media. Thank you. Stay warm and BeCozi.